Smoking all day, drinking no hard liquor. I stay high, even higher than salt liquor. I'm on silver haze with a shoe chief, huh? I'm in the coop, keeping the rest of the birds sleep, yeah. And I'm high to the tip top, and I'm twisted with a slip knot, tangled in the grip lock. Yeah, will I ever stop? Never that. Light it up, bring it back, bring an ounce, not a sack. I got it 4 gears of sun in the building. Looking for your phone, probably calling on the ceiling. Falling on the railings. Catch me, I'm gone. I'm in another zone, but trust me, I'm home. I'm home. Where the blunts be thicker than the arm. And every time Capo rollin' me, say this one is the bomb. Capito. So, you know I gotta explode. I don't know where y'all at, but I'm in my mode. Where the
keep it coming, don't fuck up rotation. Clean your piss, don't fuck up probation. Shit, I'm glad I ain't got those cases. I can smoke free, my nerves bad, ain't got no patience. But my birds fly higher. Your coupe drive by, but my coupe drive by ya. I'm higher than the kite, still looking for a lighter. Can't get no higher, still looking for a lighter. Big Bob Marley blunts, keep a chick in the ride on my side, yeah. Big old donkey butt, she talking too much. Pass a weed, call me slut. I ain't trying to hear that shit. Just smoke, bitch. Smoke. This is what I call Dykeman's finest. Sit back, baby, relax the tight vagina. Enjoy your ride, enjoy your high, and show some respect when you see the